Hello guys, good morning. Today we'll be learning how to dance. Cultural dance to be specific. Igbo cultural dance. So let's get started. We'll first of all start from the simple things. So you first of all move your leg. Okay? Are you seeing me now? Like this. And you move it with your hand together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright? So you move your leg. 1, 2 with your hand like this, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Make sure you're winding your back. 1, 2, 1, 2. You understand? So your both of your hands and your leg are supposed to be going together. All right? You can do it faster. Then you mustn't keep your hand like this. You can move your hand, anyhow you want it. All right? So let's go. Something like this. 1, 2. You raise your leg, bring it down. Raise your leg, bring it down. That way. 1, 2, 1. So as you're going, you pull your hands together like you want to fly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then apart from that, 1, 2, 1, 2. No, the other one was like this. But now you're going to use both toes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this one is coming from, this one is going back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Do as if you are dropping it on the ground. 1, 2, 1, 2. But as you're doing it like this, you're doing your back like this. Like this. Like this. Did you see it? Like you want it to be. So as you are doing it. 1, 2. So like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Remember, you can do your hand anyhow you want to do it. Just 1, 2. And make sure you are twisting your back. So let's try it with music.